The 22nd ranked cryptocurrency FILECOIN, FIL, is up 23% in the last 24 hours, up 81+% right now in the last week at the time of this recording. We're going to talk about why that is and why FILECOIN is certainly one to watch. We actually mentioned this one a few weeks ago when FILECOIN was all the way down there at like $4 or $5. Right now trading at $9.20. It's a true OG altcoin. It's been around for a very long time. And when we look at big data, big storage, and thinking about the future of blockchain and where we're already heading, this is a cryptocurrency you're going to want to keep your eye on, no doubt about it. But why is FILECOIN running hot? We're also going to get into that in this video. So don't go anywhere. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below for more content like this. We keep you up to speed always. So FILECOIN's a $3.5 billion market cap, up 80+% now on the week. Bitcoin went over 25,000 earlier this week, but FILECOIN has been the biggest mover in terms of altcoins, which were highly volatile during this past week as well. The past 7 days belong to FILECOIN. FIL registered 3 consecutive days of double-digit price increases and now up 80% on the week. Chainlink, HBAR, VChain, and the Graph are also notable gainers from the larger cap alts, all of which have increased by around 7% in the last day. The top 10 altcoins are a lot calmer today. Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, Polygon, OKB, and SHIB with minor price declines, with Cardano, Dogecoin, Polkadot, and Solana have charted insignificant gains to this point. And we take a look at FILECOIN. Why? What's going on? Well, FILECOIN's FIL token jumped more than 30% here just in the last 24 hours, sparking interest in virtual machine launch. Now, this was not immediately clear what prompted the rally at first, but you can see what is set to go live here. FILECOIN token FIL rose sharply on Friday, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Now, the jump fueled social media excitement about the blockchain's March 1st launch of its FILECOIN virtual machine, or FVM, a software platform that will introduce smart contracts and enable developers to design decentralized applications on FILECOIN's network. This has gotten people very excited. Twitter user Colin Wu, who tweets under the name Wu Blockchain, generated buzz on the subject by sharing news of the pump, along with information about the network's upcoming smart contracts launch to his more than 250,000 followers. FVM's addition to FILECOIN will render the network a fully fledged Layer 1 blockchain. So that is the big news. FILECOIN becoming a fully fledged Layer 1 blockchain. Again, keep in mind, already ranked number 22. They've been around for a very long time. So this is certainly one that you should keep on your radar. And of course, FILECOIN was first described back in 2014. It did go through its ICO in 2017. They raised $205 million. It's an open source and decentralized, which means that all governance is in the hands of the community. FIL is the native currency of FILECOIN that powers the entire network and all processes. Clients pay for transactions in FIL tokens. Miners place FIL as collateral, guaranteeing their services. FILECOIN aims to store data in a decentralized manner, unlike cloud storage companies like Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare, which are prone to the problems of centralization. FILECOIN leverages its decentralized nature to protect the integrity of a data's location, making it easy to retrieve and hard to censor. Now, the ball's in your court. Let me know what you guys think about FILECOIN. Drop your comments down below. It has been exploding recently in the last week. And do you guys own it? Are you guys going to be looking into it? It's now becoming a full Layer 1 blockchain, almost in the top 20 of all cryptos now by market cap, sitting there ranked number 22. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you. Bye.